Scéal going HQ how to Gaeilge because Tommy Dul are Comachort Reach.
Thomás ar an móthar chóide Dhiarmuid i London, Dhiarmuid i Baris, i Gurcaig,
Yeah.
agus mlochlia.
How 2 little sneaky gigs coming to your own Morine. Register for interest and earn 8 fihid Gurcaig.
I Gurcaig agus down a Costco mlochlia. Be Lynn, get a ticket and we'll see you for spicy hamach.
Joan Louise, I mean, you have way more free time to relax and go and meet Trish Tusnu Shubadorch and Centra.
Time Kerthcutter, and that's the thing. Whether you're starving, rushing, or a gear of a Nias Slán Tula, the thing is with Centra, knipping about it's always reliable.
I know, and sorry, the new delicious convenient meals that they're stocking everywhere, the happy pair stuff, the clean cut meals, it's unreal when you're on the road, when you're planál, íhan tamach, or if you're a gubber and hammer fod like myself and yourself. And you can also jump in there and get some really tasty high protein snacks.
Fair what I got during listen, it's bralin Gurfader lat, Rish talk, Remak, be a slot do around now. It's the business, Centra. Live every day.
Steve, Exfalterovgady, how to Gaeilge, Lumsa Doireann.
Agus Lumsa Louise.
I'll tell you, we're a woman short, but we are full of spirit on Tachtan Shaw.
The Dhiarmuid.
I'm telling you, to run down a horse it now, cut our episode in Shachtan Shaw, right? Because we're taking a deep dive into mhiotaseolaíocht hÉireann. She's back.
On
mythology.
Just Gurfader Lumsi Sheer, and I can let you instill all these. I love when you get so into this. Like, come on,
there you go, girl. Well, a favourite subject of mine, Diarmuid Ua Duibhne. Famously one of the biggest rides, mhiotaseolaíocht na hÉireann. So there you go.
Cahalling, I love a big D.
You often say it, in fairness to you, tá tattoo to go through the law of nach full.
No,
it was really cute. Nervy my he's my holidays. Liana Tayan Winter Mavoher, she's getting roig, Gachem Blian or Fag Shachtana, Agus Visator, Scéal. Agus fudis le fará túil Thomás Ó Lúing, viidir a ginse them and under them Vlascayad, that he was the man now. If I wanted a good story, that he'd be the man to ask. So I called out to himself and his wife Tressa, and they had a great welcome for me, and I had a lovely cup of tea with them, and I collected a load of scéalta and t-eolas and everything from them. So I'm going to play you one of the little stories I collected. Now, it's not very wholesome. I know, very cute. No, they're deadly and scun the Gaeilge cup. But anyway, Rimishin. We have a bit of a fogger to do, don't we? Because of course, Tommy Dul, our truss.
We do. Agus Thomás Ó Lúing show. You know what? Thanks to everybody who was a dangball linn on Tachtan Shacha, to everyone who has bought tickets so far for all of the different gigs that we have put up for sale. I don't know why I'm so excited. I'm Liana Leveg, Doireann and Moher. I think it's because tá show new Gaeilge. It's the Gaeilge tour, and I'm really excited about every single venue that we're doing a live show in, because I feel like they're all going to be co-specialta in their own little way.
Yeah, I think so. That Gaeilge means you're with the moon, which means like they've gone mad. So they've gone with the moon. So it's I suppose it's Shanna Rud Gaeilge sin on termishin, you know, if I have a Gaeilge achas rud down the Eichama, like that whole notion of madness being linked with the moon and women and because of like a moon cycle, and you know how that's linked to our menstrual cycles and stuff. So it's a very female type of madness.
Totally. And not even madness, but more like fiantas, like wildness and magic and
absolutely
all of the things that can happen in the light of the moon. And it's kind of it's very exciting.
Very exciting. Tá co-ragus Trish Teachta Shaach. Now we put out a call out for a bit of co-ragus, and by God did you come ashing Trish bheadh dagváling ashing he's Gurcaig agus she Trish Roger Kianach she Kerta Kid Dehain agus the Kalini, and that they're going to go to the High B for a pint beforehand. So we've that offer already. Right, so anyone else going to, so we could potentially be calling into the High B before show. Now famously a pint pre-show doesn't go very well for me because I have 1 and then I have 10 and it's just a disaster, so I might hold off until post-show, but let us know Cowell Tudul Gore couple of Duch Trish and show Gurcaig, we want to see you there.
Absolutely. And together your folks are fall, there's still a few tickets left for the Cork night, and would I be right in saying the Moon Tory are going to be on the Brisha na Cosca?
It's the weekend before Easter, so very good chance they will be. Yes, they will be. Oh my God, you're dead fucking right.
Girlos, there's no excuse. Come out in your numbers. It's a Saturday night. Ia Harin a Gurcaig. Manny is a Saturday night I spent in Cork in my day. I love a night out in Cork.
I know.
And
it's
I'm
great.
actually still more.
No, I love a night out in Cork as well, so I'm buzzing for that. Come on. No, I'm really, really soon shin. Agus Ganaris Bemid in Maclia Easter Sunday. We'll be in Paris on the 20th of February, and Bemid in London and True La Deog the Mimar.
You know, I have a feeling feeling something spooky is going to happen at the London gig.
Do you?
Yeah, because it's the Galley tour. It's our first time in London. It's Friday the 13th.
It's Friday 13th. Yeah. Well, there you go.
And it's leading into Paddy's weekend.
Yeah, no, and we're both footloose and fancy free that weekend. We've like a good few days put aside. You're taking a day off work and everything.
And if there's any London Huns that are geisteach, Lynn, and you know the hot spots in London, like tell us because we have a few nights over there.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. It's no, see, mine and Louise's aspiration is to please one day be as cool as the London girls.
Yeah.
The London Irish girls are the coolest fucking girls in town. It's very annoying because we just geographically I don't know what it is. They're just so what is it?
And maybe it's like, you know, a bheith marachdal gahartá chomórle London, and you're kind of like, I don't know. There's something.
There's a je ne sais cod.
There's a je ne sais cod about it all. Oh, we haven't used je ne sais
Well,
cod in ages.
No, níl sin úsáid going ages. But sure, look, tá níos mó choragus sé straach. Teddy has been in touch. I took a load of edibles in Derry and went to a cinema nearby. Kept screaming, laughing at the movie until people behind me got up and left. I felt bad about it, but after a few minutes, a woman told me that they were trying to ride each other. But I kept screaming, laughing, and everyone would turn around and look up at them. Oh my God, Teddy, you saucy. Now, it would take a dairyman, wouldn't it? I think a good looking dairyman is like worth two mediocre looking Southerners, in the sense that because it's the Derry accent, they're so much sexier. There's something about a dairyman, and they're also well able for a strong woman. The Northern lads, I noticed this, are way better able for, because the Northern women are strong women, like, so they're just way more able for it.
They're like, they have an edge.
Yeah, they have an edge.
Yeah.
And sorry, no, hannig den eigen ala séimi dagváling ag styrtjelling gurmichseg ober sa cinema, and that he found used condoms while cleaning up on a few occasions. Now, listen, I love the like being cautious enough to use a Johnny in the cinema.
Yeah.
But like then, like ma had to chundugning tribloid to do all of that, like it'd just be so noisy, and then just leave it after you. Come on, lads, come on,
bring it
home.
But I think egg and Wintershin, maybe in the heat at the moment and everything, they're not really thinking of the Glánasuas.
Yeah, maybe not. Yeah.
You know, they've done their dirt. Yeah, I know.
And then what you do, like, you just watch the rest of the film. New Cadvian, like,
oh,
you'd be exhausted.
God, that is
like,
such a good point.
Isn't it?
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
what you do, like, just.
Yeah.
And like, do you fall asleep? I don't know. It's just weird, isn't it?
Yeah, that is so weird. Like the afterglow.
Yeah.
I always like a cuddle afterwards. So I don't know. Like, do you just have
you did an awful time with it. Maybe in the Stellar you'd be all right. Is that why you go to the Stellar all the time?
Yeah. Yes. That is why me and Declan always go to the Stellar. That's exactly it now. Do you know you could actually get like couches where you could see an accolade?
Yeah, that's why I said the Stellar.
Agus dúirt Bailithe Declan or had I was like, oh, will we get a couch? And he's like, no, you're all right, girl. So I don't know. I think we're at the stage of the relationship where he likes like a little spas in inverted.
Yeah.
For a glass
I don't know. He probably needs you're cramped in together all of the time. You spend all of your time together. You have a little one bed party. He's probably happy with a little bit of space.
You know what, lads? I met a fucking gas makeup artist down in Cork. She's a real Cork accent, right? You know, we should be telling you stories now. And she was telling me anyway about her husband. And I hope that it's a Carglor going to get into the scale show, but I won't tell too much of the scale, but I will use whatever turns of phrases that I thought was chef's kiss, right? So we were talking about what we like to do on the couch, Saniha, right?
Oh, yeah.
We were like chilling out with our respective partners, and she goes, and I was like, oh, you know, now I love a foot. Said this many a time. I love a foot rub, and I think there's nothing wrong with feet, right? And she goes, oh, girl, I'd never admit it, but let me tell you, every night I do cock the hoof. And he rubs it until it's time to go to bed. So I tell you,
cock the hoof.
Cock the hoof.
Well,
I do cock the hoof, and he rubs
the cock the hoof. Well, you're like hooving around in those fucking machines.
I know, I hate them now, and it's actually the awkward black confirmation sock. I'm like a fucking altar server. Do you know you could have them in a player black pumps on, and you'd be like ringing the bell at mass.
Oh, you keep on ringing that bell.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah,
anyway,
yeah,
listen, Louise.
Bing.
Look, idir your duhain agus na hufs agus an chodela. I don't know whether to come or go.
Shilling your best Cork accent. Go on now, girl. What would you do?
What she said? What's the hook? She
cocks the hoof.
Oh, sorry, I cock the hoof,
and I let him work away until I go to bed.
I cock the hook, and I let him work away until I'm going to bed.
There's no cocks and there's no hooks. You're cocking your hoof.
I don't know. Anyway, but we'll listen to the Rud go will arose come now going to meet full video. Tan put the show full video, which is very exciting. Agus féad fechan during in all our huffing glory. And we're on Patreon, chama. And of course, we want everybody to get really involved on the socials, don't we? Our Spotify, our Instagram, our TikTok, agus our howtogail@gmail.com, especially at this very important hour when we're about to embark our Trust More Fada timpeall na hÓireann agus. That's it.
Whatever done, let us know what you do on the couch in the evening with your other half.
The capital of France, the capital of England, and the two capitals of Ireland, Cork and Dublin. Okie doke. So Dhiarmuid Ua Louise gur rama ag géirí scéal meallar Diarmuid Ua Duibhne haint this. So to mechan sin íon bhreá, and then we'll have a little bit of play meallar Diarmuid Ua Duibhne. Okay, this is very special. Thomás Ó Lúing.
Is rion na leán ghorcha le ha. Agus scéal mai fion na cúlas na fianna. Agus beidir nach na cenne ha bailithe sa hawl. Beidir gimmert amánaíocht. No gimmert mbeadh. Beidir gimmert mbeadh. Agus na fiechant gin fion na cúil. Nach nig sé an bádsa teachtasteach goan nach na cenne. Agus stoppen gimmert. Agus dúirt sé caiimid op síos a dúirt sé fiechanteach go há bheile. Agus buin sé amach an bád a bhí go hénig an bhreá chuach. Bhil is bhíoh go ben ósne, má bhíon an luibh go deoga tú den bhaid go bhreá chuachid. An bhreá chuach, an bád is fearr ab dam bhí sí go fiúm cúil. Agus chuin sé amach go hánatíon mád a bhí tappaí an bád stún séara, agus chuin sé clíthánach suaslathe, agus cheangail sé dhé. Agus po sé bord. Agus hanní bhean ábain ógamach ige. Dí a bitse dúirt sí le fiú mo cúil, dí a céan a bitse dúirt sé le. Agus céad a hain. Wile dúirt sí is ní an mise do rí ón dain tuid. Agus ha take hin sa dúirt sí chun bide sin cótha gimmert leat. Agus Gimmeríad an bhreacha go hánas na bhuiid siad. Agus cadad son bidethe chu réide bhfuil rud a dhéanamh da. Agus dúirt sí leis catú dóla dúirt sí díon daintéil. Agus ceann rí an ile an bhorcha a gúirt ar nais. Omsan sa. Oes tíiste dúirt sé díal, sé bóta fide. Ní dhéanamh go sí, catú a dhéanamh. So gimmeríad an bidethe agus bhuiid sé sinna. Agus cad a bhreithe dúirt sí leis. Well, ha carrig le smud a bhíon géarmada. Sin níos ceannas na deoféirecha.
Well, cead sí amach.
Sean sí amach. Carrig le smuham. Hanna focha sí ána bhuitar a rutha. Focha sí sé. Sé bhíon carrig a bhíon sáil nábas a barige. A cha carrig bháin an ghuileine mí carrig bhéin.
Okay.
Carrig bhéin. Catú do náb carrig bhéin a dúirt sé. Lethe. Agus ní go tú feitéinethe ach Gráinne cuiche a gceocht tíd crón a snáthada a tháir seasamh an áblir bhíon Diarmuide. Agus son go mechan Gráinne cuiche anna beag ar fad. Sinné go tú lénethe feidir bitsanethe go dtí an dain tuir. A líine beag sinna dúirt sí, sé chaú dhéanamh dúirt sé. So, scíime sí sin a charrig bhéin, agus scíime sé sin leis an mleach chuach go dtí an dain tuir go dtí rí an ile an brucha. Agus chaseáil chuir amach, agus chuiseist ar bort. Agus bhaid sé amach a cys lá. Sí sé fiechant tú a haí féin ara. Gus dí sé sí sa bhád a rís, gus sé fóha agus podailte agus sád anna híthe. Agus éidir sé maitan, agus bhí sé éidir le dheocht an Dhiarmuid mar Dhiarmuid, agus bhaid sé amach geta an chusláin. Agus bhí chuile córic an nóisina go agus bhaid sé stíabhaid. Agus sciadan scrí agus bhaid córic agus dúirt sé ná bhéin ar a héin a hitteach sí ar a lethe hóna agus ná teach sé go dtí teach na tóga sin sclaíní. Agus tháinig chatmach sé bhíiseach bhí an rí chud a bhaid dúirt sé. So go tíhíle tar dúirt sé mai goach tíhíle tar agam agus tíhíle ar leistíar. Fuicht le tar agus bhailh sé na hendaile. Agus tá hána ba sé síos a ríist bíon bhád agus chodil se go sá. So anna dhéag chuine sé ríist. aici ce-am luat chiana. Să anim și ribici fama, că da voi cine putea cerești. Am luat chiana să vine, ile n-arde faile, ne văd ce, așa de vad marmă, ne văd. I fac ia haroi. Șle hawa ce, șle ma haroi. Så ani ge roi ma fach mor griefich da. On do grove is toch hof na amatis. Agus vi lúrach sin breastplate wat er ro. Lúrach. Jocht, agus er chalwich. Agus clogad er chaun, agus plív an áil, agus vi stiege, agus vi saiadige. Agus hosniad am breinu. Le chéle. Agus ma hei klasse bi fum og kúl. Chéleg sem na hei klasses. Vi fántige ballinéir. Agus diara an rui a chuir mí chorm. Ach chuineach inach an rui inach sé neminí dan na hei klass goil. Agus danig fiúm og kúl na dianach sé vech godúir. So wadig sé sos córachir. Agus talimáilich a ruiste dúrt an ruile sé wachad. Agus cíf ná megat. So chuig tún is dach an vád as vi sé smín os pínu. Svísi gen na buch sé a rui godú. So vísi ge ha sé fisáid. Cad a ginach fiúm og kúl na fisweig? Chuig sé ardóig an bít na víal. So ní minnig ginach sé sin. Mar hech seach blian a dýsir. Ach vi sé rókás. So chu sé ardóid de víal svif sé kogint. As was sé kogint an mrup. Dín góf. So an góf. Dín bhfuil. So an bhfuil dín bricken. So an bricken dín gnáf. So an gnáf go dín bheil. So an bheil go dín smósach a so an smósach go dín smér. So den hagar sé amach bí sí. Sí sile leis. Sí itir vadige. A fi fissige. Sné an fisse bí. Agus fisse bí géna. Go behach sé chléach chuir Dhiarmuid Ua Duibhne. Bhí hÉireann na penne. Néirin. So dúirt sé gnoch sé an barbúa. Bhí so blach chuach. Úr na sceol. Barbúa. An barbúa. Agus heit sé barbúa. Go mí, go mín agus go glór war agus go colasach. Agus chógad Dhiarmuid Ua Duibhne. HÉireann na penne in éan an dan hei. Uirik óga. Agus bísige gur an fiú cóile do bóid. A chan é chiasa, dúirt sé, a sé heidir ríist. So a heidir fiú go cóile ríist a barbúa. Go bín agus go glór war agus go colasach. Agus fógad Dhiarmuid Ua Duibhne in HÉireann na penne. Like bíd a tabelíide le dúirt sé. An tíú báta, agus bhí an Arabiteachta fiú na búir. Ach an tíú báta, bechas go mána na gitáach Dhiarmuid Ua Duibhne. So heit sé ríiste, tíol bríomhar tvád. Techt, an dan tris. Go dí ar go héiden, gosach son go hart na penne go bort go bhí. Agus dúirt Dhiarmuid Ua Duibhne bachom da hó gáidir. Agus bhí sé amach a dan trídach go hárúd. Agus a bhain da bhean, up sé an bríon an anhharcha. Agus ví sé Dhiarmuid Ua Duibhne gur a paiste dómh lastig an lúrach a bhíir os cóide chraí. So bhuiirt sé an lúrach a bhí ar brí an anhharcha. Agus cinn sé háil leapa. Agus háit sé an nach bhuiime steach sa chraí. Ite fachach fór marv. An son de scar sé cheann an a cholan. Bhuiint sé gad. Sin seis maidir mór green in a fás. Gad a wetarad. Ach agus chas sé is léa, agus chníim sé ar tóhala. Agus hat sé tína fluk agus tína chluise. Chas sé dhéise agus chníim sé ar tóhala. Agus sé tína chluis agus tína fluka. Is wat sé hier in de bhreá, sé leise. Agus chudar isteach sa bhreach chuach. Agus tá díidir a seolta barbóideach a bháin jarga go háir na gáir na grán, có ada, có íirech, ró ada, ró íirech. Ní bhag do tí talón gan tarach má maidir rá an dút leo. Y trawn y ffarag y ffyrir fwyr, y falcon to, tolcon to. Chyd ys cwr na ffarag y geirtar, ys gran na ffarag y gwachtar. Ys bi chysgini, ys pesgini. Smilt y môr, ys iawn hyn am ara. Mech dar wysh ys y wash. Ys y slat wadi ra. Dian o ciol, sport, agus imrystoedd. Nw gwmynydd ar y mach. Fi'n Dhiarmuid y gwerch o bwynin yn hÉireann. Agus spaid ar harle, carig bein. Agus fi nog gan yn ard, agus ni'r afanolch y knob sy'n cricyndu. Agus haint ar y stech, yr chwn, wapn henne. Agus fwgyd o'r lem o fain, as slimmen y gwerch o bas dogas alym. Agus haint ar y dys. Ys nem sgieltsyd. Man jo Dhiarmuid Ua Duibhne. Rwy yn y lan warca, agus fiwn cw. Ma ha bieg o bieg.
No, bit of tiling. I know.
Tommy.
Doch rete, vech sé fé gasagot.
Wow, yeah.
Yeah, it's unreal. What a skill.
Tá sé có insan scéal agus
Yes.
ancient an scéal.
Yeah.
You know,
yeah.
fiú leis na act, you know, ag
Na
astóireacht
gatíocht agus é sin ar fad. Yeah, bhí seo.
yeah.
So for anybody who didn't understand that, because that was incredibly rich Irish as well, so to give you very summarise.
Strackle dynamity.
Yeah, no, incredibly rich Irish, and that's very on purpose because they want to, you know, a good storyteller has to be poetic, and they want to, so they use, you know, a very rich vocabulary of language to, you know, show as well how fantastic of a speaker they are. But anyway, this beautiful woman has set Fionn McCool the challenge, and he goes off to the Eastern world, and there he meets this very famous warrior king, and they battle and he's getting nowhere, so he stuck his thumb from the Bradán Feasa into his mouth, and he chewed, but he could only do that once every 7 years. That I didn't actually know that before. Sorry, he could every time he used the on the thumb and ardog, it would take 7 years off his life.
No way, because he went, was it from the fat to the bone to the blood?
And
and
it all came out.
Yeah.
If the salmon sperm had infiltrated your brain and you had the feasacht, what cad the inha, cad the an cheadar gan inha leis.
I think bheoch sé class gach illa tanga down a hiiscint agus a lauert.
Girl, chonig me inis tá Apple ábhalt a live translation in of led the fucking headphones she go. Literally chonig me sin ar madan ar bhí me sa Jamie Fehev, and I was like changing from noise cancellation to thing.
Like
wild.
But sounded like agus tú, I don't know where aon áiste down.
Yeah.
Agus just a bheith now eavesdropping on them.
Yeah,
do you know,
no,
because
it's-
Mohim
yeah.
Gomininic, like, do you know, say if you're Irish fault Inga Danton or Dagant and they're like birth no sure, like I know on Oit and Amian Sigdal, they are all from China, and I love the way they speak to each other in Chinese. But I
Yes.
often think to myself,
I
"Now, where
know,
they gonna
you'd
be now?"
love
And
to have
Sheena
it.
should-
Yeah,
and I'm like,
I see.
what are they talking about right now?
Yeah, I know. I'd love.
You know.
Yeah, no, Kate from Gaeilge. I know. I'd
Hey,
love
Oiter
to be able
down.
to eavesdrop and just
Yeah.
see. Yeah, no, ein team lat. Versus and deadly. But nish, girl, all you have to do now is Kurt on Apple Translator.
Class.
Because I didn't have live translator. Oh my god, imagine.
That's going to change the world, you know.
So that's going to change the fucking world.
Wow.
Dochreta.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow. Really dochreta. Okay, cad the
Cad
inning
fuaite.
ship. I'd love to. Bevralam fálamach like. Bevralam vahabata na réalta agus like. You know, é sin ar fád a hiiscint an down sin ar fád a hiiscint like na cosmos agus ruí mar sin. Bevralam a bheith habalta like. Mo higher of a lay of Mars Gart. I being like na tire of really vivid chugum on timer fad, and like being isagum like your corhi the ruddy, and I don't know, then daru them and stuff. Bevralim of a habalta.
Those sheer now.
Yeah, the Bevralim of a habalta, but is
travel.
fast? Yeah,
Oh,
is it
Shin
that's not
Rodella,
yeah,
yeah.
is it? But just
Or
about
Beidir of like, you know, Olach gachrod atá
yeah, surely. Oh, absolutely.
HÉireann.
Imagine, or
like just unlimited knowledge of
or like
undown.
yeah, Cad for the Bermuda Triangle. What are
Yeah.
the hanged gardens of Babylon? You know, na ruddy sure fad who built the
Yeah,
pyramids?
yeah.
Conasker hog their brew in the
Fragri
voine.
got there in
Yeah.
Mysteries of the World.
Oh my god, definitely.
That's good.
Who shot JFK? Anyway, then the next thing was he understood the only way that he was going to win this was to get onto Diarmuid Ua Duibhne,
Yeah.
the big the
Main
king of
man.
Kerry.
Yeah.
And anyway, Diarmuid Ua Duibhne comes in and he does wreck, and then
What
they
was
come
the
back victorious.
instrument he played to summon Dhiarmuid Ua Duibhne?
Oh, and Barabay, I think.
Yeah.
Gilman Focal Mars
Do you
Cart.
know in
Yeah,
my
yeah, yeah.
head when I was imagining the way he was holding it was like one of those maybe it's like an
Yeah, an old horn. That's what it
It's
was.
a horn?
Yeah, it was an old
Oh, yeah,
horn.
yeah, yeah.
It's an old horn.
and he's
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
like
Yeah, no,
yeah,
that's exactly what it was. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah,
The
because
Barabay,
yeah, because dúirt Tommy Lum, you know, in áitna difriúla sa tír hí like leichrí difriúla a có, but in iarthar chiaí an leich more was Diarmuid Ua Duibhne.
yeah.
Diarmuid Ua Duibhne. And na Fianna, this is what I actually loved. The Fianna all had dogs. Every good warrior had their dog.
Yeah.
Their companion, and I was like, that's great, because sure, of course, I'm a great woman for the dogs, but
Yeah.
they'd have it like, you know, a Goyer, which is a hound, like my Nelly Bug.
Yeah, yeah.
None of, you know, they wouldn't be like the little
Designer dogs.
Designer dogs.
Yeah,
No, a big dirty
Wolf
hound.
hound
Yeah,
and-
yeah, and anyway, so but Diarmuid's dog was Achtri na Gaisce. Achtri na Gaisce. So yeah.
Like the
Name. So
yeah.
it's like, so he had like Achtri na Gaisce was Diarmuid's dog's name. So then we were calling Nelly, or no, was it Gaisce na Gaisce na, no, it was Achtri na Gaisce.
Yeah.
And then I was calling Nelly, well, I call Nelly Vaughan, but
Nelly Vaughan.
we were like, oh, Nelly Vaughan and Achtri, because she's an awful woman for fucking
the
way off
instance,
on us.
yeah.
But anyway, so yeah, it was just what a beautiful, Gaeilge mar scéal, and Anna Alíonn ag Tammy chun an scéala ancient. But that kind of brought me to, I suppose it's fitting, isn't it? Because sure, all our big Kerry wins. Who's your Diarmuid Ua Duibhne of West Kerry now? Shani and Kiesh.
Tá mé se chun sead especial though at the Paul O'Géinig. I have to give it to Paul Gainey. Paul O'Géinig, I think he's had a phenomenal year. The year of Paul Gainey. Actually, even sheer go fefe cuaig. He's never played as well. He's never looked as well on the pitch. I tell you, he's as fit as a fiddle. I was in Ulster le Paul, and I will tell you what I heard a lovely story at the weekend actually, that he had invited all of the captains of all of the winning club teams, hurling, football, intermediate, juniors and seniors, to all come back to Gainey's. They had all of the 6 trophies out on the main street in Dingle, and I thought, what like a cool thing to do. Obviously Tachtórnecha, and I thought, do you know, isn't that a great sign of someone sportsmanship to like celebrate? Obviously all the Kerry teams.
Yes, I saw them all on Instagram.
But like the Cork and the Waterford and
it was well, yeah, we should go into fair play.
Who's your Diarmuid Ua Duibhne?
I don't know. I've been really delighted go lads an Gaeltach though. Tá aithne go mar annach chud is na lads ar an bhrein sin, a bhí mar really delighted though gur air go and láv nuach thrall Sidera, and well, it wasn't really even, there was no competition there, really. It was, yeah. But bhín sprid sin le fescint, you know, and Fergal sé agus Darrow Cnéide agus siúd an ar fad, and just, you know, furin úntach Gaeltachta, and I know Hug Paul an óráid an Gaeilge chuma, but tá Gaeltach go húntach ó heh na Gaeilge de.
But it's a club a goni, isn't it? Like, you know, sin rud is stochtaí.
Yeah, well,
there's something about the club.
Sinna deir siad. So Diarmuid Gráinne, well, like Diarmuid Ua Duibhne, he's well known for
being hot.
Yeah, bhí an ball shirke ag Diarmuid, which ball shirker was on I think our Larmer Miala show, like way back in first series when the remember counter Toriach Diarmuid Gráinne. What story were we talking about?
I think Vitus were we going to be telling people actually quite timely en route to Valentine's to be making the bowl shirka?
Oh, there you go.
No,
that was
that's a saucepan dove. Sorry,
that was a saucepan dove. But the ball shirka is that there's a he had one on his forehead.
Sorry, he had the beauty spot.
Yes, that if women saw they would fall in love. But then Dershid Gerby in the ball shirka in the dimples. Gerby in the shirky in the dimples.
So dimples like me of McGriffo actually.
Oh, well,
I'd like Fosney, she hated them.
Yeah.
And then she got older, she was like, I love them.
Oh yeah.
So I suppose Branche.
Well, only the dimples are only for the men, not for the women.
Oh really? What's it for the woman?
Well, it's about current ban tu fe yasa.
Oh right.
Yeah. So sorry, poor Niamh, if she'd be listening to this, unlucky Niamh, unlucky. You should have been born a man. Yeah, no, it's just men have the dimples.
Good. So a ball shirka though can be any type of beauty mark, is it?
Well, yeah, I mean it only works if you're hot, like if you vision a say quoi.
Yeah.
You know, and they would say like, oh, like.
No, what directly does it translate to? A beauty spot? Is it?
I don't know. I don't think so, because of. I don't, yeah, maybe you could translate it to a beauty spot, but you miss the essence of it, you know. but it was like a mystical
mystique to have something about them. Is it?
Yeah. Well, that was, well, I mean, it's a mhiotaseolaíocht. It was a literal, like, Gráinne saw Diarmuid Ua Duibhne playing hurling, and in one of the movements his ball circle was like, you know, revealed for a short amount of time, and then she lost her head with lover, like she you know, if she chavli and massam sarbud she let her eat, and she was like couldn't concentrate on anything, she just totally bought and raw leis.
Where she could
But
see
then
like
the Hershey
aura
shin.
or like a
Yeah. well sin just yeardi se sin méallar fair áirithe like ó bhí an ball seirce like dá meach mnádul fian in the diag, just but like beidir go raibh na dimples down, no beidir go raibh ag mar sin, you know. But no, then her Gráinne Diarmuid faoi gasa, so sin a Harla and son. Yeah. But anyway, tá anna tá anna díomhreacht na scéalta sin nach bhfuil anna íomhreacht, but anyway. Yeah.
Tá, but I suppose, you know, everything is bun haar and, you know, bun thema shin grá agus ag titmin grá and the dríoch the dagan leis, you know.
Yeah.
Isn't it funny? I suppose everyone could say someone they've been in love with at one stage in their life had some form of a ball circa that made them fall for them. You know, is it like a spark or like the thing that you're like,
yeah,
you know,
I know, I often think about this.
Is it a feeling?
But you know the way community can't be are like anxiously attached people and then avoidantly attached people, and then like they're always drawn to each other because they're like tá sé the curra deigen an nuil, you know, in honest, the Rodaigan a chur nuil. Yeah, so I don't know. It's a weird one, isn't it? Like, how are these people drawn to each other? But Neil ein chur machagat are parsantan din sin, whereas at the same time,
yeah, on rod like chemical or physical. You know, the
it must be like a
chemical reaction.
Yeah,
like
it must be, is it? Yeah,
a magnetic
draw. Yeah, it's
I
funny.
don't know. You know, obviously Darren she'd go Nani and Fuin Orha like Fuinavella, and you could be drawn to someone's energy. It's probably where they can shin and you feel like a draw
to their like
you know, you'd have to be drawn to someone.
Oh yeah, Kate Gade, yeah. Tá cáil gan áras Diarmuid Ua Duibhne mar gurbe la don scéal tóireacht Diarmuid agus Gráinne so bhí long story short bhí Gráinne a dul post fion macúil ach bhí sin rála Diarmuid Ua Duibhne san de chuirsí gasar Diarmuid Ua Duibhne agus bhíidir a ri timpeall hÉireann agus iad the tethe ó fion agus sa fianna so bheadh de fanacht an íhinn de friúla áitna inig sin de ladies like labag Diarmuid agus Gráinne ar ní anna ar na áis níos má na ihe a bháin, and it's a mad old story because yearhadí sin son like that gombeach fion macúil a fágant fiol av an na diag like let chun gombeach sig fion agus na fianna nar raibh sé treéis colla le Gráinne go fáil. Anyway, so all up and down the country, you must have had a load of. Did you ever come across a lab with Diarmuid agus Gráinne?
And Casula like just piece on a chorrum, like a long flat.
Yeah,
just the burners. I tell you, they did a fair lot of line then chlor anyway.
Yeah, there you go. I know they're all up and down the country. From Donegal to Cork to
Agus and sort. I don't know at Rudchin that it was always co-passion tags for the Goni. On the run, you know, agus
like forbidden love.
Yeah. Agus ag dul áit go háit lena chéile, like almost, you know, there's vacant isn't there? Like a secrecy and a passion and
So right, with them I fall a tethe. A dul tethe den agent lurg tarman where caraiha.
Yeah, áit ruined that. You know, vi deirteachta all in a going a little tigging biog ish ligach. I think I've told you about this before. It was just a churmer in our Harlina Garandamach. It was one weekend, and you know, nur nachol to Xula Derishachtana, and it was in this really tiny little place outside of Easki, Nirammer in Akele Rod Erbe, but it was actually just the Irkan Rod of Tastal and had a little fire, and we watched Clarkson's Farm for a full weekend. We just binged it and made shite, and actually we shouldn't have made the Tastal. We had a little, you know, shul like na Hailte. The modern modern, and then that was Sinead. I weren't actually Captain Gerbe on Rud Istesh le Jane of Linicala no Amakav and Oit ní ruin that beidir you know a cuin gan just live hain agus ní beidir being a goni drawn to like, you know, Ian Tamoramak or a Jane of Ruddy social dogs like Dalek Tash like stuff mar and you kind of forget on talk to win and slash na ruddy simply and like to go to a little charm and áit and Ciún she can't agus just machav lena chéile.
Yes, thank you go.
You know, Cadfutsa.
Oh, dá mé dul a tethe, I don't know. Cha mé ihe in Dungannon of bblion cart agus muid tafod, and it was just like we Hugh Stockton no stan and being receptionist like, what are you doing here? And we're like, oh, we're filming, and he's like, was there nowhere else?
Dungannon or
Dungannon, Doireann. And he was kind of like, was there nowhere else to stay? We were like, what? It was honestly the worst place I've ever stayed in my life.
So
It was like being a present.
eagrán. Oh no, near her to an arch in Nora. Was that an arch that you were like?
Packs of her in Nora. Yeah, that was an arch.
Shout out Pax.
Shout out Pax. You'll never be forgiven.
Oh no.
No, if it was horrific. But anyway, Dameng, like Dameng, a
You go out for shin.
No, but like die felle ní chuinoch aine dul lorg and son. Because it'd be like, but do te. This is not like this isn't like Gorgil getaway. I'd have loads of lovely Gorgil, but if you're on the run.
Yeah, but I don't think like
Alice and
who's running after me, by the way? Like, let's just say the guards.
Girl, this is like
they're not going to
hypothetical situation. Listen, if you're going to find man in the bed with you, you wouldn't mind
if
where
you
you
were
were
on the run from someone, you're going to go to a shitty hotel in Tyrone, and I'd go to a bougie little cottage in Sligo. No, but let's see who's found first. Like, I'd stay on the edge of a cliff so that when I saw them coming in the distance, I'd hop onto a boat. Or
hop on off the cliff onto a boat. No problem.
Like I'd have a little getaway. I'd have a little dinghy.
Yeah, a little speed.
Yeah, and I'd zip off.
Yeah, a little.
Or hatu here void.
Or bad, sure. Tabad.
For God's sake, that's an awful stupid question
to me. There you go.
Sure, why wouldn't you spend the night on Maid and then
out in the middle of the Atlantic?
There's something about romance for shin.
Yeah, there is. No, in fairness, now a night out in the middle of the Atlantic on a boat is
rocky.
Ooh, rocky.
Could you not just anchor her up in Clontarf?
Well, you could do, but then there'd be no fucking
not the same appeal.
Yeah, how'd you? Yeah, not the same. Well, also it'd be very easy to find me then. True. I'm from Clontarf. What's the first thing you do? Go looking in Clontarf.
If you're someone who's regularly on the run, leave us your top tips. I'd say wouldn't it kind of defeat the purpose though? If you stayed local,
give us some tips.
Maybe
they never think of finding you. Yeah. No, then you have to go. Double cross.
There you go. Double bluff. I haven't now yet in my life, Gadisha, been on the run, but if I ever do,
Gadisha.
I'll be in a bougie cottage in Sligo.
Now we know. Well, and I'd be in the horrors in Dungannon. Okay, Gluisteáil. Okay, well, Báil Seirce, obviously. Anna the Gutsa.
Yeah, Leoch Gashgioch.
Yeah.
You know, Dúirt Tommy and Shin, Gimmert Comáin. Or he said in like in Immert at the Dús and scéal there, he was like, it was like Immert, he said instead of Imáint, or he was like Comáin.
I don't know.
Yeah,
come out.
I thought it.
Oh yeah.
Did you hear that?
So, like Kinol Shan Steele didn't play his. So Sheelam Vish actually Gomorrah go Galway must be Macavna. Kinol Shan Steele didn't play his. Agus Vish Aaron Talu didn't play his mo. Beidir go Shan a while or two ago, but Sheelam Gerbishane.
Oh yeah. Well, comment just here. Just
Gur
Nurchishin that they were Gimmert Comáin, and I hadn't heard it Mershin. Dahul.
Dahul, there you go. Dahul. Ma den eigen dahul. Nu ma siad maltach. Nu ma siad taringtach. Nu ma siad ma darag dúilegat in nini. Ma darag dúilegat in nini to do like besotted, impassioned. Agus gashgiocht is kind of like a din of gashke, like kind of a din of gashke. Oh, if you said din of gashke is like a way of and a gashke anyway.
Achievement.
So Jopsach siachs na shachtene cad chapa.
Yup na shachtene, they're in Kildara. If I was to go on the run, actually, I take it back. We go run to Kildare.
Would you?
In Kildara.
Yeah, no, in fairness, we should go fair play the Muinter Kildara agus Anna Eile go nach her siúlcur gur nebreed. Some woman.
And actually, if it was in Kildare, I'd run to Scotland.
Would you? Oh yeah, good woman.
Yeah.
Yacht na shachtene again. The start ain't just a fucking pain in the hole. They're so we don't want to go into it because like Tasha are just really depressing. But anyway. I've had enough of you lads. Will you sort your shit out? Come on. We all want to get back to democracy and all the rest of it.
Sinead?
Anyway, Sinead, be a dagballing or in the comments and TikTok and howtogail@gmail.com. And in the meantime, slán.